Hi guys, my name is Rishit and you're watching Unboxing Tech. So guys, this is our first video and in this video we'll be doing the quick unboxing of Xiaomi's latest phone, which is Shark Black. So without wasting time, let's get started.
Trust me, that is all I need. Yeah, I'm still at your heart tonight. Take my hand and stand by my side.
So guys, first let's talk about its specs. You got the Snapdragon 845 processor, 6-inch of Full HD screen with IPS LCD display, 8GB of RAM and a 64GB of internal storage. The Android version 8.0, which is Oreo. The battery is 4000 mAh battery. Let's talk about this camera. You got a 12MP and a 20 megapixel of camera. Let's talking about its build quality. This phone really looks attractive. The back, it's look amazing. That's a sign. Really looks nice. Now let's talking about how big the phone is. It is 75 ml of wide and 1060 ml of long. Its thickness is 9.3 ml. Its weight is about 1091 gram. Xiaomi did not provide any headphone jack in this phone. It's really look awkward. You also got a controller in the box, which is used for gaming. You can connect only one controller at a time. Let's try some games. This one never heats up because it have that liquid cooling system.